I'm Gearóid Ó Machail, and I live in Benburb in County Tyrone. I began to learn Irish as an adult because I was often embarrassed when I visited the Gaeltacht without a single word of Irish. I go to the night classes in the University of Ulster now, and I'm studying the diploma in the Irish language. My family has a house in the Gaeltacht, so I have the opportunity to visit Gearóid on a regular basis. The thing that I like best about learning Irish as an adult is the company and the people that you meet in the classes. We do have great crack. I think it's important to speak your Irish with the next generation of Irish speakers and with the young people in your area. That's essential if we're going to keep the Irish language alive. I'm working now as a development officer in the new Culturland in Armagh City. Therefore, I would like to be able to speak Irish fluently. My favourite proverb in Irish is, "There is no strength without unity."